How to do the OLL case 11 step by step. Let's do this. You have to see this case is formed by these 4 yellow squares like a Tetris block. 2 down here, 1 on the right side, 1 up here, and 1 on the left side. Now I'll show how to solve it. You have to move these 2 layers like this. Now you go to the left side, go down, now you repeat. On the front layer, you move down, go up, and return. Now you match these 4 white squares, do a double move, and go down. Now I'll show it a little bit faster. Let's do this. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more contents like this for you. And comment below if you liked and if you want more videos of this series or another videos. Okay? That's it. Take care.